Hey you guys, happy week before Christmas. Actually technically by the time this is going up, it'll be like this Sunday, Monday-ish, right before Christmas. I'm not ready yet. I'm not done. I'm not done shopping. Everything is last minute this year, which I hate, but it is the way it is. Thankfully, I have some of it done finally. My real Christmas tree is up and decorated. My office Christmas tree is up and decorated. I'm consuming massive quantities of caffeine to stay functional. And yeah, that's about it right now. I'm loving my makeup today. I didn't film doing this or anything, but it's just purple and gold and I really, really like it. It's pretty. It's creasing because I didn't use a proper primer, which sucks, and I should have actually done that. But anyway, it has been one heck of a week. Everyone has the flu, like everyone. Me and my son are the only ones who don't have the flu right now. So, yeah. I am trying desperately not to get ill and stay healthy. I got a flu shot. So far it seems to be working. Yay. They don't always work, especially for me for some reason. I don't know why. I've also been taking a ton of vitamins and eating really healthy. Okay, that's a lie. I haven't been eating really healthy. I've been eating more vegetables. So that helps with the whole vitamin thing. But I've also been eating a lot more pizza rolls because they take 2 minutes to microwave. Anyway, the whole point of me filming today is to show you my December Sephora Play box. So here is the little paper they give you. They have this Play Awards theme thing going on. And of course, no more Play card, which they got rid of in lieu of doing higher quality samples, or at least that's what someone at Sephora said, according to someone on the internet who called them and asked. So here's our bag this month. It's this really pretty purple shade. Doesn't quite match, but pretty close. It kind of matches close to the back of my hair. It's been 3 months in a row where the Play bags have matched my hair. Anyway, this says, good things come to those who play. So I'm going to empty this out and see what we have. First up, this month's sample. Usually we get a perfume sample. This time we got packets. We know my opinions on packets, but I actually have found packets slightly more useful lately, at least when it comes to hair stuff, because I have been liking trying new hair stuff. But here is the packet we got, and these are pretty good size. To be honest, looking at how much product is in here, I can probably get 2 shampoos and 2 conditions out of this packet, to be honest. This is the Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo. I have tried some Amika products before. I do like them, so I'm looking forward to using this. Anything that helps with volume and thickness with my hair is super, super important because my hair isn't thick to begin with. Even when I was a little kid, before I even touched my hair wasn't that thick. Just thick hair does not genetically run in my family, unfortunately. But anything that helps is a good thing. On to our main items, and it looks small, it doesn't, everything's very small. There's no giant samples in here, but what I'm seeing is nicer brands, higher quality brands. So first up, we've got Bobbi Brown. I don't think we have gotten a Bobbi Brown product in one of these boxes, at least none of my boxes, ever. So I'm super, super excited for this because Bobbi Brown is all very natural, wearable, quick type makeup, and I love that. So this is the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Golden Pink. I love getting shadow sticks. because I like putting these in travel bags, and like if I need to do my makeup on the road somewhere, these are amazing. This actually looks very similar to the another company that I can't think of off the top of my head, but very, very, very similar color. This is just a nice creamy shade here. Focus. There we go. Gonna swatch that. Yep, this is just a nice pinky pearly shade. I would say that this is good for if you're in a hurry. You can use a bronzer on your crease and then put this on the lid, and it would be really, really pretty. I could also see this doubling as a highlight in a pinch if you just use a teensy bit of it. But that's really pretty. I'm not familiar with her shadow sticks, so I don't know how long they last. Well, it does say long wear, so I would assume they last for a while. I don't know if they crease or anything, but I will definitely be giving this a shot, and I will let you guys know what I think. I do think the color is very, very pretty. I think they chose a good color. All right, next we have, yes. Okay. So I've been wanting to try this. I've seen some people using this in their morning and evening skincare routines, and I was like, that might be the next face cleanser I try. I got it in a play box. Okay, this is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It says gently cleanses, rich in amino acids. This is supposed to be super, super gentle. It's also supposed to be able to remove your makeup. I'm not big on removing my makeup with the same thing I cleanse with, if that makes sense. Like, I believe you should remove your makeup and then cleanse. But it says you can even put this on your eyes. It says wet skin and massage over face and eyes and then rinse. One magical product? Okay. I've been wanting to try this because I've seen so many people using it and say it's very, very gentle. I don't like anything that strips my skin or makes it feel like squeaky or dry. Ooh. It smells like cucumber, but in a fresh cucumber way, not in a Bath & Body Works cucumber melon. That's what I smelled like when I was 11 kind of way, if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm super, super excited to try this. I'm actually at the very end of the face wash I'm using now. So this I will try as soon as I'm out of what I'm currently using. Next we have Wander Beauty. Do you see that we're getting all higher end products? That's what I'm noticing. We're getting higher end products just in general. So I'm impressed. I like it when companies say they're going to do something and then actually follow through. So this is the Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. Ooh, it's 0.10 fluid ounces. And this is in the shade Skinny Dip. It has just like a standard lip oil type applicator. Okay, there is not a lot of product in here though. It looks huge, but like, look, I'm flattening, nothing. Oh, there we go, lip oil. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze a little bit of this onto my hand, just a tiny bit so you can see the color. Ooh. Okay, so we're still sticking with like the neutrally beigey rose tones, which is fine. Let me smooth that out. Ooh, that's pretty though. It's really soft, kind of orangey almost. Definitely a warmer tone. And it has like no smell at all. That is awesome. Let me grab something to wipe that off with just because I don't want to get oil everywhere. I do like lip oils. I don't wear them very often though, just because they tend to go everywhere. But I will definitely give this a try and see what I think of it. All right, we have 2 more products. Next is this. Ooh, okay, this is the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. You guys, I cannot even think of the last time I actually bought a high-end mascara because I get sent so many of them in Sephora play boxes and I love it. I either get them in Sephora play boxes or my mom will get me them as gifts and I just love it. I have not tried any Smashbox's mascaras yet. Let's see. Ooh, interesting brush. It is a plastic bristle brush, which I typically don't go for. But the bristles are very interesting. They're very short. Yay! And it smells nice and fresh. It doesn't have that weird glue smell that a lot of mascaras do. But yeah, I will seal that up nice and tight, and this will go into my sample drawer back there, just the top one. Like that whole thing is not full of samples, just the top one. And I will save that for when I run out of what I'm currently using or I need something new in my travel makeup kit. Speaking of, I am going to be doing a video on my travel/emergency because like when I actually travel, I tend to pack a crap ton of makeup. But it's kind of like an emergency makeup kit I just threw together because there's been so many days where I've wanted to wear makeup, but I haven't had the time to do it because it's like wake up, get out the door, go. And then I'm sitting somewhere and waiting. And I'm like, I could be doing my makeup right now where I'm at, but I don't have any with me. And I'm like, I have 500 samples. I have 500 brushes. Not literally. I have like maybe 30 brushes. But I'm like, I have so much makeup. The only thing I don't have to be able to do this is a second eyelash curler. So I bought another eyelash curler, which by the way, I'm going to be mentioning soon because I may have just found my favoriteest eyelash curler ever. If you notice, my eyelashes are not quite as droopy as normal. But I'm going to be doing a video soon on everything I put in that little kit, why it's there, etc. And kind of just how to throw together your own emergency makeup kit for when you're like, I don't have the time, but I really do want to wear makeup today. So last thing is this. And this is from Dermalogica. Very happy to be seeing nicer skincare brands. I love nice high-end skincare brands, especially ones from like Korean skincare will probably always be my absolute favorite. But I love trying new brands, and I don't think I've tried anything from Dermalogica. This is their daily micro foliant. It says it's a smoothing, brightening powder exfoliant. Ooh, okay, I'm excited because I got a sample of the Drunk Elephant charcoal powder exfoliant that came with a cleansing oil sample that I got in a Sephora play box. And I started using that exfoliant. That's probably one of the best exfoliators I've ever used. I like it better than like any like cream type exfoliator that I've used before. So it's probably my favorite physical exfoliant. So I'm super excited to try another one. It says, dispense onto wet hands and create a paste. Massage onto clean face and rinse. Not recommended for users of medically prescribed exfoliation products. Gotcha. So if you're using something super duper strong, like a heavy duty retinol or like a heavy duty salicylic acid, or you're on something that is like an acne medication that like pretty much peels your skin off, don't use this. But this is a pretty big sample. Yeah. Okay. So the jar is it's filled about that high. It's a white powder and it looks like it has little black and gray granules in it. It looks very, very similar to the Drunk Elephant one, except I love the way that it just has a little, see, you can kind of see the powder inside of it. Has a little hole for dispensing. So if like you knock it sideways, you're not going to lose a whole bunch of product, which is awesome. Now, I will never exfoliate my face daily. I've tried that before. It thins out my skin. It creates breakouts. My skin dries out really bad. I just don't think it's good. Unless like your dermatologist goes, hey, you need to exfoliate daily, I probably won't exfoliate more than 2 to 3 times a week. So Anyway, that's everything in our box. Let me go over it real quick. I'm impressed as heck with this box, you guys. I really, really like everything in here. All of these are things that I'm happy to see, which is so rare. All right, let me go over everything we got real quick. This is the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Pink. Sorry, I'm like reading it as I'm showing it to you because it's such a long title. Oh my gosh. Okay, next we have the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara, the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, the Wonder Beauty Lip Retreat Oil, the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, and the Amika Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. So probably my very favorite thing in this is tied between these two because I've been all about skincare lately. And my least favorite, probably this, just because it's a packet and I don't tend to use these a whole lot. Unless it's like a super deep conditioner, I tend to throw these in my sample box, and then when I'm going somewhere or I'm going to be staying overnight at a hotel and I don't know if their products are any good, then I will throw these into my bag. So I have those with me. But all in all, I'm very, very pleased with this box. I think it's awesome. I really like what Sephora has been doing with boxes so far. As far as the products that are being included, I'm really impressed. Like, we got 2 skincare products, a hair care product, and 3 makeup products. I didn't get any primer. Finally, a box with no primer. I'm just slightly shocked. I mean, there's a chance I could start running out of primer in the next like 10 years. All right, you guys, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. I post new videos as often as I can, at least twice a week usually. You guys can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.